In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fit a Google Sheets spreadsheet to one page for printing. If you've ever tried to print a sheet and found your columns cut off or your data spilling onto multiple pages, this quick setup will help you get a clean, readable printout without trial and error. We'll walk through the exact settings that control how your sheet scales on paper so you can preview the result and make a confident choice before you print or save as a PDF. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Give it a moment to load fully so the print preview will reflect everything correctly. Now, head up to the top menu and click File, then choose Print. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac. This opens the Print Setup window, which shows a live preview of what your sheet will look like on the page. The preview is your best friend here because it updates as you change options. In the Print Setup panel, scroll down to the section labeled Scale. Scaling tells Google Sheets how to resize your content for the printed page. From the drop-down menu, select Fit to Width. This is the go-to choice when your goal is to make sure all columns fit across a single page. With Fit to Width, Google Sheets compresses the content horizontally so nothing gets cut off on the right, while allowing as many pages as needed vertically. Keep an eye on the preview to make sure your text stays legible. If the font looks tight, consider hiding unnecessary columns in your sheet before you print, but the core setting you need is simply Fit to Width. If you want everything, both the width and the height of your sheet, on a single page, choose Fit to Page instead. This tells Google Sheets to scale the entire sheet so it fits on one printed page in both directions. It's ideal for quick overviews or summaries, though the text may become small with larger data sets. Again, check the preview to confirm the trade-off between completeness and readability. Once you're happy with the scaling choice and the preview looks right, click Next. From there, you can proceed to print or select the option to save as a PDF, which is perfect for sharing, archiving, or sending for review. And that's it. Open your sheet, go to Print, pick your scaling in the Scale section, and finalize with Next. You'll have a polished, properly sized printout every time.